Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we'll be picking few cards. So these cards are for your general energies, Aquarius. For your relationship, I'll be picking one card from this deck, and for your career we'll be picking one card from another deck. So we will see what are these cards as we proceed. And Aquarius, if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. You can contact her. She is a very good intuitive reader, and I'll be sharing her link in the description, guys, below. So that is what, with that, we will start the reading, Aquarius. So let's see what are these cards first. For your general energies first. So today we have 6 of Cups in reverse, 8 of Swords in reverse, and 3 of Cups in reverse. So Aquarius, in your circumstances, in your work or in your relationship, you are in some confusion. Maybe you don't know how things are going to go, what will happen, what will be the next step, or what will be the outcome. Maybe you have some confusion regarding your relationship, because with this person you love, maybe you would have faced a lot of troubles, maybe arguments or fights, stressful circumstances, something you never expected, but that is what is happening. You love this person, you may have a level of understanding with them, but the way things are going, maybe the words they speak, or the way you behave, or the way this person behaves, creates a lot of problems in this relationship, maybe, and you are seeing a lot of difficulties. And maybe for some of you, something unexpected is happening and things are speeding up. Maybe this person is thinking of something and they are making a decision what needs to be done, and maybe you are afraid what they will decide. That may be the reason for your worries and confusion. But for some of you, I see yourself in a very good situation. Maybe you're seeing difficulties, maybe you're scared that this person will leave, but in reality maybe they are thinking of ways to patch up things. Actually, they are thinking of reconciliation with you, finding a good way to deal with in your circumstances, the right way to handle this situation. So they are trying to resolve the situation just like you are, but maybe your fears are holding you back. So you are not taking any steps for reconciliation because you are afraid whether this person will get even more hurt and leave you. So you are avoiding some kind of a confrontation, but this person is in truth thinking of reconciliation. So we will see what is the card, the oracle guidance for your relationship. To be fair. So what does this card mean? to be fair. To be fair, it just means that in our life we face a lot of challenges and experiences are here in our life to nourish us with that knowledge. So, over time, we will understand and we will know that these experiences are the reason for our knowledge, and we will know that certain things are happening to give us that knowledge. So, we need to accept them without judgment, accept them as it is. So, if you are not content with where you are at the moment, you need to understand that all experiences have their place, and you need to accept things as it is without judging anything. So, to be fair just means that just like you want to be heard, you want to be understood, even that other person wants to be heard, valued, and respected, understood. So, we must give them opportunity to talk, communicate with us openly, freely, and truthfully. That is what this card is about. So, that may be the starting point for reconciliation in your life, in your relationship, positive unfolding of this love in your life. So, for your career, we picked one card. We will see what is the card. It is Seven of Moons in reverse. So, with this card in your career situation today, you are maybe having a lot of plans, a lot of dreams, but you need to be really practical also at the same time. Make the efforts needed to reach those dreams, otherwise, you will not be able to reach those dreams. That is the energy with this card. So that is what I see with these cards today, guys. Thank you, Aquarius, for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the Goose Girl. I hope you can see the card. Theft. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, your identity is being stolen or you have been wronged in a very bad way. Something of yours has been stolen. But you need to understand that your uniqueness and what is truly yours can never be stolen from you. Though it may look like you have lost something, in truth you have not lost it. It is a part and a parcel of your being, the truth about yourself, your true characters, your true nature. It can never be copied because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. And maybe you are facing some problems because of this, but justice will always happen. Truth will unfold in your life very soon. Truth can never be hidden for a long time and it will be revealed very soon in your situation. And you are being protected and you are being cared for but you don't know it yet. You may feel lost, a little lonely. You may feel lost away from the people you love, people who have cared for you. But this hardship is coming to an end, and whatever injustice has been done to you is ending very soon. And you need to understand that truth will always prevail. So you need not worry. Truth about you, truth about your circumstance is coming out very soon. And whatever cruelty or jealousy is done to an innocent person will never harm them. It will just go back to the doer. So you need to understand that, and you need to understand that justice can never be thwarted. It will always unfold, and truth will always prevail. So that is the energy here. So maybe you have been wronged, or maybe if you have wronged someone, you should make amends. If you have done something wrong to someone, if you have tried to copy them, or if you have tried to take away what is truthfully theirs, you must mend your ways. Or if something bad has happened to you, or someone has done something bad to you, you need not worry. What is rightfully yours will always come to you. So that is the energy here with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have the impossible made possible. So in our hearts, we will be dreaming of big dreams, and we ourselves, we will feel that it is something, it's too big, or it is too much to imagine, or it is too unreal to manifest in our life. But there is nothing wrong to dream, and there is nothing impossible for that divine power to make it happen. So we need to have that belief in that divine power, in that higher power. So all that is holding us back from achieving these dreams are our thoughts of that lack of belief, that lack of belief in the higher power's power to unfold such dreams in our life. So our mind is the reason for us to be like this. So when we are truly passionate, when we yearn for such beautiful dreams to unfold in our life, there is nothing to stop us. And at that right time, what we passionately wish for ourselves and what we truthfully wish for ourselves will definitely unfold in our life. With that divine help, that dream will unfold, and this card means a blessing is coming your way. And this is it will be like the sweetest water quenching the thirst of our soul. So just like that, whatever we are really passionate about and whatever we yearn for, so that dream is waiting to unfold with that divine blessings. But all we need to do is have that belief in our heart. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, so that is the reading for you all today with these cards. Guys, thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.